In this ukulele tutorial, I'm going to teach you an easy to play Christmas carol with just 4 chords. Up on the Housetop is a classic by Gene Autry. It's a big favorite of kids, and of course, it's all about Santa. Anytime I play the part of a musical elf, which I'll be doing later this week, this is a great tune to play. I hope you'll learn it and keep it in your back pocket for your gatherings of holiday cheer. This song is going to be part of a free songbook and a holiday jam that I offer every year. There are links down below where you can get a copy of this songbook. You can join in with the jam live or anytime. I love offering this holiday sing-along each and every year. It's going to be a hoot. Songs from Christmas, Hanukkah, and other traditions. Please check the links down below so you can join. It's easy to play. Let's just play the whole thing together. I'm just going to show you a simple shuffle strum pattern. We'll do it slowly and then we'll pick up the speed when we play the whole song. Hold down your C chord, and this is what we're going to do. We're going to point our index finger out, touch the thumb to a place on your index finger that feels natural. Don't squeeze too much, and just brush with the tip of your nail. You're going to strum down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. You hear me accenting with my voice? Those are on beats 2 and 4. Let's bring out the backbeat of 2 and 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Common mistake for folks starting out is to play everything a little hard and with a tight wrist. So a great trick that I've learned over the years is to pretend I'm dipping my fingers in a river or a lake and I'm just whipping the water off. All right, not too hard, don't hurt your wrist, but it does put you in touch with what a relaxed wrist would feel like. Bring that feeling into your strumming while you breathe and count. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Do it a little faster and then we'll jam the whole tune. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Then just let go of the count and flow. Are you ready to play the whole tune? Let's do it. If you're enjoying this video so far, please reach out and give it a thumbs up. Be sure to click the subscribe button. There's a ton of free content waiting for you right here at this channel, Ukulele Zen. Members of Ukulele Zen get bonus perks each and every month, bonus lessons, jam tracks, special discounts, and a whole bunch of other membership perks. Check the links down below if you feel like joining. I hope to see you at the jam session. There's a link down below to register for the free event. I hope you and your family are having a wonderful holiday season. Up on the Housetop. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Ah, 1, 2. Ah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Here's verse 2. First comes the stocking of little Nell. Oh dear Santa, fill it well. Give her a dolly that laughs and cries, one that'll open and shut her eyes. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Verse 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next comes the stocking of little Will. Oh, just see what a glorious fill. Here is a hammer and lots of tacks. Also a ball and a whip that cracks. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Was that ending too long? If you you'd like to learn how to play Sleigh Ride, I have a tutorial for it right up here, and you can click that button right now or check the links down below. Thanks for watching. I wish you and your loved ones a beautiful, bright, healthy, and happy holiday season. Hope to see you at the jam session. Check the links down below. Till we see each other in another video, keep strumming, keep smiling.